Bias cut dresses can be tricky to hem, but today I'll show you the easy and professional way to get a smooth, beautiful finish. Let's get started. After taking your measurements, mark your new hemline. Leave a 1-inch seam allowance, then cut evenly all the way around the dress for a clean, consistent finish. The sewing step is the most important part. Stay with me and I'll show you how to hold the fabric for a clean, professional finish. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss my next sewing and alteration tutorial. The cutting is done. Now let's move to the overlock machine. Overlock the entire edge of the dress to keep it clean and neat. For a bias cut dress, overlocking is essential. It makes the next step much easier. After overlocking the entire dress, it's time to move to the regular sewing machine. This is the most important step of the job, so let me show you how to do it properly. Fold the hem up by 1 inch and start sewing from the side seam. As you sew, use your fingers to keep the folded hem in place and continue slowly until you reach the next side seam. You can pin the side seam in place before sewing. This will help keep the seam aligned and make the job easier. As you sew, guide the folded hem with your fingers and continue until you reach the next side seam. Make sure the side seam stays perfectly aligned, with both sides matching in a straight line. This will give your dress a clean, professional finish. Repeat the same process all the way around the dress. As you reach each side seam, make sure it stays perfectly aligned, then guide the folded hem with your fingers as you continue sewing. This is the best technique for hemming a bias cut dress and achieving a clean, professional finish. And that's it. The dress is finished. Give it a final press and make sure everything is nicely aligned for a clean, professional finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more sewing and alteration videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.